Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix SIMS 4 compatibility warning. So here's what you're going to do. You want to go to search, type in DXEIAG and click run. Once this opens, you're going to go to display, let it load, and now look for this. So it says here, you want to copy this. So open a new Chrome tab and type in RTX 3090 driver. Click the first link, download the latest version. Click here again, type in 3090. Click Windows 11 or whatever you're using. Click on Game Ready Driver and download it through here and save it. Or what you can do is download the NVIDIA app, which you can launch and go to the drivers tab and then simply install the drivers. And after you're done with installing the drivers, you're going to go to settings, turn off the NVIDIA overlay, go to system, and turn off the G-Sync if it's on, or if you already have installed the driver, you want to reinstall it if it's not working properly, and then simply restart your PC and the game should work properly. That's it for this video. That's how you fix SIMS 4 compatibility warning. Hope this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.